What up, guys? This is Ryan Brick here with Riverman Outfitters. I was just going through editing my last video, and yeah, quick break before that, before you watch the whole video. I'm not that good at editing yet. I'm still learning, so give me a break with that. The post-Thanksgiving chucker and pheasant hunt that we always do. I've done it for the past like 4 or 5 years now, ever since I got a bird dog. But we do some public land hunting, but this one was not public land, so don't think I'm trying to just pass it off like it was a public land hunt. This is a stocked land hunt, so you know, you go out and go to various farms. This guy Gary we went out with, he's a world-class dog trainer. He keeps 30 dogs or so on site at all times. All these dogs are bred from champions from years and years before. You know, I mentioned the stories he says, but sometimes he has his dogs hold points for 30 minutes while he goes back up to his house, and you know, the angle of the tail has to be perfect and all this stuff. So he knows what he's doing. He gets you on birds. If you're in New Jersey and you want a really good pheasant and chucker hunt, you got to check this guy out. Alright, so let's get to the hunt. We're going to do a quick round of videos that I took beforehand. Then we're going to go over to the field, show some of the clips of the dog catching a lot of birds and getting on a lot of points, things of that sort. And yeah, let's check it out.
In the woods again, like a band of gypsies we go in the
Alright, we're out here looking for some birds. Good day to do it. Copy.
Oh, hit him! Wow, what a shot! Go get him, Coop! That was right. That last one way out.
There he is!
Oh, on. There he is, on the ground, right in front, right to your right. That's a good boy. Bring it here, bub. Bring it here. Bring it here, bub. Bring it here. Yeah. Well, Cooper's our best hunter. Holy crap.
Thank you. Holy crap! Get him, Coop! Whoa! What the heck was that? That was the craziest thing I've ever seen! He caught him out of the air! I hope you guys saw that. Holy shit.
Nice shot! From way back deep. Let's see you.
I got it.